What is the difference between monetarism and Keynesian economics? Have you ever wondered how different economic theories shape the way governments manage their economies? Today, we will break down the key differences between monetarism and Keynesian economics. These two theories have distinct views on how to handle economic activity and government involvement. Monetarism focuses on the money supply as the main tool for controlling inflation and managing the economy. Monetarists argue that changes in the money supply directly impact economic outcomes. They believe that monetary policy, which includes managing interest rates and the money supply, is more effective than fiscal policy in stabilizing the economy. This approach often leads to a preference for limited government intervention in economic matters. On the other hand, Keynesian economics emphasizes the importance of aggregate demand in driving economic activity. Keynesians argue that government spending plays a crucial role, especially during economic downturns. They believe that increased government spending can stimulate demand and help the economy recover more quickly. This perspective supports a more active role for government in managing economic conditions. One of the main differences lies in the role of government. Monetarists generally advocate for a hands-off approach, relying on monetary policy to guide the economy. In contrast, Keynesians support using fiscal policy, such as government spending and taxation, to stabilize economic fluctuations. Another key distinction is how each theory views the factors influencing the economy. Monetarists focus on controlling the money supply to manage inflation and economic activity. Conversely, Keynesians emphasize the significance of aggregate demand, which they believe can be influenced through government actions. When it comes to policy tools, monetarists prefer monetary policy instruments, such as interest rate adjustments and money supply management. Keynesians, however, advocate for fiscal policy measures, including government spending and tax changes, to influence economic activity. From a conservative viewpoint, monetarism aligns more closely with the idea of limited government intervention. Conservatives often argue that fiscal policy can lead to inefficiencies, making monetary policy a more neutral tool for managing the economy. In contrast, Keynesian policies are often associated with more liberal economic views, which tend to support increased government spending to stimulate growth. In the context of the Federal Reserve, monetarist principles are applied through monetary policy decisions. This includes setting interest rates and managing the money supply, reflecting a conservative approach to economic management. Understanding these differences helps clarify how each theory influences fiscal policy and monetary policy in practice.